worry about the air quality in your home? Don't you wish that lingering smoke and odor after cooking would just go away? And can turning on the heat make your home so dry it leaves your skin parched and your lips chapped? I'd like to introduce you to the Oreck Air Refresh, our new 2-in-1 product that offers the comfort of an air purifier with the relief of a humidifier. Now you can capture dust, allergens, smoke, pollen, and pet dander while also adding essential moisture to the air with one easy-to-use product. And you can use it year-round. You don't need to put the humidifier away during the summer. Simply turn off the humidifier and the air purifier will continue to provide clean, fresh air. The Oreck Air Refresh has a Hepa media filter that captures 99% of airborne particles down to 0.3 microns from the air that passes through the media. That means less dust in your room. And it has an odor filter with activated charcoal that helps remove odors from your home. I'll show you how it works. Imagine that the smoke in the box represents particles that could be floating in the air in your home. Watch how quickly the Air Refresh pulls the smoke through the 2-stage filtration system and releases fresher, cleaner air. And this 2-in-1 product is also an ultrasonic humidifier that quietly creates an extra fine mist to add essential moisture to dry air. So there's no hot water. The built-in humidistat does the hard work for you. All you need to do is fill the tank with water and choose your desired humidity level. The humidistat will sense the room's relative humidity and automatically switch the humidifier on or off to maintain optimum comfort. The Air Refresh is the perfect size for small rooms such as bedrooms, dens, or home offices. Plus, we added other features to make cleaning the air even easier. Its filter indicator gives you a quick snapshot of the filter life. It'll turn red whenever it needs to be replaced. And the water tank indicator lets you know when the tank runs low. When the level gets too low, the humidifier shuts off to help save energy. So finally, there's a 2-in-1 air purifier and humidifier that puts you in control of your air cleaning, the Oreck Air Refresh.
This winter, will you suffer from headaches, concentration problems, dry and cracked skin, itchy dry eyes or dry nose lining? Most likely, your house heating is over-drying your indoor air and causing all of these symptoms. That's why you need a Venta Airwasher. An Airwasher corrects air humidity by evaporation. Look, these discs act as collection plates, picking up water from the unit's reservoir. The dry room air moves over the plates and picks up moisture and then exits back into your room, correcting any dryness, leaving the air refreshed and invigorating. But here's where your Airwasher is superior to a plain humidifier or vaporizer. While it quietly humidifies, the discs trap any airborne bacteria, dirt and allergens from your room. Since these particles can't evaporate, only humidified and purified air is free to exit back into your room. So say goodbye to colds and cough bacteria transmission. Venta Airwashers give you perfect humidity, but with so much more. They never over-humidify. They don't use messy filters. They trap airborne bacteria They don't produce white dust. And they're made in Germany, which is why an Airwasher lasts and lasts. For a lifetime, in fact. Venta Airwasher, the original patented by Venta in 1982.
Did you know that the air inside the average home is up to 5 times more polluted than the air outside? Sharp air purifiers combine revolutionary patented ion technology with HEPA filtration, resulting in a healthier, fresher environment. Unlike ionizers of the past, which only use negative ions, Sharp PlasmaCluster ion technology mimics nature by creating positive and negative ions that seek out, attach to, and break down airborne pollutants such as bacteria, viruses, mold, fungus, and odor. The 3-stage True HEPA filtration system captures dust, pollen, pet dander, and smoke, resulting in almost perfect allergen removal. Traditional air purifiers rely on air passing through the filter, limiting their effectiveness. Sharp PlasmaCluster ions can spread to every corner of the room to actively clean the air. It even reduces embedded odors in carpeting, drapery, and furniture, such as cigarette smoke, cooking smells, pets, and perspiration. Triple action models have a built-in automatic humidifier that adds moisture to the air as needed to help relieve sinus and dryness issues. The automatic control system also monitors the dust level in the air and adjusts fan speed as needed to clean the air efficiently and quietly. PlasmaCluster ion technology combined with True HEPA filtration and automatic humidity control gives you ultimate air quality for your home.